Today, it is my pleasure to introduce this modern home situated in Ballarat's fastest growing suburb and positioned within the Ballarat High School zone. Hi, I'm Mark Nunn from the Buxton Real Estate Group, and this is number 22 Barnell Avenue here in Winter Valley, comprising 4 good-sized bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 separate living areas, ducted heating throughout and a double lock-up garage. This kitchen works really well with the island bench that flows beautifully onto the open plan living space. Outside, the allotment is spacious, being set on 472 metres squared that has been fully landscaped. Homes of this quality are in high demand, so be quick and arrange your own inspection today.